Okay, good afternoon, dear students. Now we are going to start the new topic in the chemical bonding. So, what the new topic is determination of. Please write down determination of number of lone pairs. So this is our that new topic after completion of MOED, molecular orbital energy diagram, isn't it now? So in the previous class we learned below the 14 electrons and the 16 electrons also. Okay. So before going to know the formula of these, the number determination of that number of lone pairs, here I would like to see better. Suppose SO2 is there, okay, or carbon monoxide is there. So how can we draw the structure of carbon monoxide? Like this: C triple bond O and 1 minus oxygen bond order, like this. Okay, ఇలా ఉంటుంది structure. So based on this, how many number of the bond pairs are there? 1, 2, 3 bond pairs are there. And SO2 structure, how can we draw? Sulfur, double bond O and double bond O. Okay.
Double bond O.
Yeah, so that means that here that sulfur is accommodating with the two oxygen atoms, is having that how many bond pairs? Bond pairs are 4. Lone pairs 0. There are no lone pairs are there. So but to find out this that number of lone pairs here, first we need to draw the structure and all. So it is that very lengthy process better. Okay. So objective point of view, this type of that method is not the suitable. In objective method, first of all, it required or it need we need to save the time first, isn't it? Now in objective mode, first the main requirement is the, if you want to succeed, first we need to save our time. So that this time should be saved by some tricks better. That's it. Some important methods, some hints, some tricks and all can help to save our the time. So write down that one formula over here: determination of number of lone pairs. So lone pair sorry, lone pairs equal to here P minus N. So this is the main formula. How can we find out the lone pairs? What is the formula?
P minus N.
Lone pairs equal to P minus N beta. So first here we need to know what is the P and what is N. Okay. Right. Next, where P equal to, so P stands for what? The total number of, P stands for simply pair of, ala gurtupeట్టుకోండి. P stands for what? Pair of what? Electrons. So what type of pair of electrons should be taken out around the central atom? Total number. So P is nothing but total number of pair of electrons. Total number of pair of electrons around central atom. Is nothing but P. So the total system, this one. So this one should be taken in a bracket like this and should be multiplied by average and 1 by 2. So P is nothing but what, beta? Pair of number of electrons which is surrounded or around the central atom. Central atom ki chuttu any pair of electrons unnai, that should be multiplied with what? 1 by 2. Then that by is 2. Nothing but what? P. Next, N. So N stands for number of atoms number of atoms surrounded to central atom. Number of atoms surrounded to central atom. Shortcut lo rastunanu CA ante central atom. Okay, like this, C and A, central atom. Okay, now let us see few examples. So before going to know the example, first we need to elaborate the P beta. We need to elaborate P. Where P equal to, we have the formula to find out this, 1/2 into, so total number of pair of electrons find out cheyadaniki manaki inkoka formula untundi, that is nothing but V plus దీన్ని ఎలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటారు అంటే V MCA, MBA MCA తెలుసు కదా, స్టడీ తెలుసు కదా బేటా, V for victory and MCA అలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? కమ్ ఆన్ ఆన్సర్ మీ. సో ఎలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటారో, హౌ కెన్ వి రిమైండ్ దిస్ వన్, V MCA, victory of MCA. ఓకే, అందుకే ఇప్పుడు MCA MBA అంటే MCA చేసిన వాళ్ళు, కంప్యూటర్ కోర్స్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు అందరూ ఇప్పుడు చాలా బాగున్నారు అనమాట, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అందరూ. సో here we need to mention the sign like plus minus plus. That's it, easy method to remind. Okay, once again I'm repeating over here. First, how can we, what is the main formula to find out the lone pairs beta? P minus N. P ante enti beta, 1/2 into total number of pair of electrons around the central atom. Okay na, asal P ni ela find out chestam manam, 1/2 into how can we remind this one, VMCA. Okay na, first plus sign ichukondi. Okay, plus minus plus ala, so then the total, what happened to this, it's not see beta. So once again I will repeat. So here now today we are going to learn that determination of the lone pairs. So how can we, so what is the main formula beta to find out the lone pairs? P minus N. So
P minus N.
P stands for what? P and N beta, 1/2 into total number of pair of electrons which is present around the central atom. So దీన్ని find out చేయాలంటే totally we use this formula. Okay, P. So what is P beta? 1/2 into, how can we remind, VMCA. ఏం చెప్పాను నేను, ఎలా రిమైండ్ చేయాలని చెప్పాను, VMCA. సో ద సైన్ ఎలా ఇస్తుంది దానికి అప్పుడు, ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. సో ఈజీ మెథడ్ టు రిమైండ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దట్ P. ఓకేనా? చలో నెక్స్ట్, ఇక N అంటే ఏంటి బేటా, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ద సరౌండెడ్ టు సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్. చలో, హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దెన్ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఈజీ. One example. Shall we get the same example, SO2, sulfur dioxide? Okay. Here I am taking the one example of that SO2. So to find out the number of lone pairs of that SO2, first we need to follow this formula, isn't it na? Isn't it Anna? So first we need to follow the formula. What is the formula beta? P minus N. So lone pairs equal to P minus N. This is the main formula, isn't it now? So first we need to find out what? P. We need to find out P beta. Where P equal to, chalo, please apply this formula. P equal to 1/2 into V. V stands for what? V stands for what? ఇక్కడ నేను రాస్తాను, అది మర్చిపోయాను ఇక్కడ. V అంటే ఏంటి బేటా? Generally we can say as that valence electrons. Okay, V stands for what? Number of valence electrons. Next, M stands for M ante number of monovalent atoms. Number of monovalent atoms. That is for M. Next one the beta C. C stands for charge, or C stands for cation. Charge on cation. Then A stands for what beta? Cheppandi chuddam. Charge on anion. That's it. Simple. So charge on anion. Okay. Chalo beta. Now apply this all the V, M, C, A to find out in that P. Chalo. Therefore, first we need to find out that P. So P equal to 1 by 2 into, chalo beta, first V. V ain't beta number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons of the central atom. Okay, what is the central atom here? Sulfur. So sulfur is belongs to which group beta? Sulfur is belongs to which group? 5th 6th A group. Avuna? Sulfur is belongs to 6th A group. So that's why, how many number of valence electrons are there? Valence electrons means what beta? Would you say? Valence electrons means what?
The number of electrons on the outermost shell.
Yes. So valence electrons means the electrons which are present in outermost orbit. Okay. And the outermost orbit electrons are equal to its group number. Isn't it now? Isn't it or not? So ikkada sulfur ki V దగ్గర మనం ఏం పెడతామంటే ఇక్కడ V కి V place లో 6 పెట్టేశారు. Isn't it now? Because the sulfur is belongs to 6th group, so 6 valence electrons are there. Isn't it now beta? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus M. M stands for what? Number of monovalent atoms. So here, how many for this central atom of the sulfur? How many number of monovalent atoms are there? Monovalent atoms.
0.
Beta.
Having valency.
Only one valency is there. అంటే ఇప్పుడు హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది. హైడ్రోజన్ ని మనం హైడ్రోజన్ అనే రాస్తాం కానీ H2 అని రాయం. Otherwise that we can't write like that H3. Isn't it na? So that's why hydrogen is a monoatomic in nature. Adhe nitrogen beta? Nitrogen simply we can write N2 because it is a diatomic. Isn't it na? Isn't it or not? Next,
yes,
phosphorus. Sir. Phosphorus we used to write as that 4 because it P4. Is a tetraatomic. Adhe sulfur. O2. Sulfur is that 8. Oxygen అయితే 2 beta అలా ఓకేనా
సార్ కార్బన్
కార్బన్ ఇస్ దట్ మోనోఆటమిక్ అవుతుంది బేటా అంటే C అనే రాస్తాం
ఓకే సార్
అంటే జనరల్ బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఇస్ catenation capacity is that 4 isn't it now its catenation capacity is that 4 so it is surrounded by that 4 another atoms but not more than 4 so 6th place. Is there any monovalent atoms? Unnaya beta ఏమన్నా monovalent atoms ఉన్నాయా అక్కడ?
0.
ఏం లేవు. కాబట్టి 0 minus then C. C stands for what? Charge on cation. ఇక్కడ cation కి anion కి పైన molecule కి ఏమన్నా charge ఇచ్చాడా బేటా?
No charge.
No charge. So that means that 0 minus A. A అంటే ఏంటి బేటా? Charge on anion. Yes, no charge is there on anion also.
0.
So 0. Isn't it now? So therefore finally what is the P value beta? 1 by 2 into 6. Isn't it na?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the P value beta?
3.
2 ones are 2 threes are. So yes beta P value is equal to 3. Next in the same manner now find out about that N beta. N ante enti beta ikkada? What does it mean of that N? N stands for what? The number of atoms.
Number of atoms surrounded to Ca. 2.
Yes, here the sulfur ki మనం ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ Ca అని తీసుకోవచ్చు సో హియర్ N what is that beta sulfur is going to surrounded by that 2 oxygen atoms like this isn't it na SO2 so therefore the N value ని మనం ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ 2 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు isn't it na
yes sir
yes sir
So now apply this formula beta. N value now we got that true. So if we apply this one to find out that number of lone pairs, okay. Therefore, number of lone pairs is equal to, what is the p value beta ikkada? P value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చింది.
3.
n value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి 2 వచ్చింది.
2.
అంటే
2.
సింప్లీ we can write 3 minus 2 equal to 1. అంటే
1.
SO2 లో కంపల్సరీ మనకి ఎన్ని లోన్ పేర్స్ ఉంటాయి బేటా? 1 లోన్
One
పేర్
lone
ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ ఇట్, వెరీ సింపుల్ బేటా. ఈజీ మెథడ్ నా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Sir, explain the example of CO3 minus.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్ ఇది.
ఓకే, ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను, అప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? I will try to explain that one
Okay,
more
sir.
example, then you can understand. Chalo, let us try to write the one more example. Example 1 and example 2. SF6, the sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride. First, we need to draw a little bit that rough diagram. What is the central atom here? Sulfur is the central atom.
Sulfur.
Isn't it now? And it is belongs to which group element? 5th 60A group element. Isn't it now?
Yeah, sir.
Which group beta? 60A group element. Okay. Now please try to draw the rough diagram. Sulfur and is going to be surrounding with the 6 fluorine atoms. Like this. Now we need to find out this structure. Is it contains any number of lone pairs or not? We need to determine. Isn't it now? Chalo beta. First, which formula we need to apply here to find out the lone pairs? Huh?
LP, lone pairs is equals to P
LP
minus.
equals to P minus.
Yeah, LP is equal to P minus N. First, we need to find out about that P. Hana?
P.
Sir.
Sir.
Yeah. So then P equal to, what is the formula beta? 1 by 2 into
1 by 2
ఎలా గుర్తు
VMCA.
నేను VMCA.
VMCA.
VMCA, V plus M minus CA.
Yeah. సైన్ ఎలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోమని చెప్పాను? ప్లస్
Plus minus plus.
అంతే, ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. చలో బేటా, ఇప్పుడు అప్లై చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు P equal to 1 by 2 into V stands for what? Number of valence electrons to the central
Number
atom.
of valence electrons.
Yes, sulfur is belongs to 60A group. 60A group means how many number of valence electrons are there? 6.
Sir, one doubt.
చెప్పండి బేటా.
Sir, number of valency electrons అన్నారు కదా సార్, అది సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ దేనా సార్?
Yes బేటా, సెంట్రల్ ఆటం.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, సెంట్రల్ ఆటం తో తీసుకుంటాం మనం. ఓకే, 6 ప్లస్
Yeah, sir.
M అంటే ఏంటి బేటా? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోనోవాలెంట్ ఆటమ్స్. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోనోవాలెంట్ ఆటమ్స్.
Mono.
ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా బేటా మోనోవాలెంట్? ఎస్, ఫ్లోరిన్. ఫ్లోరిన్ మనం F అని రాస్తాం మనం.
Yeah, sir.
It is a monovalent only. So how many number of fluorine atoms are there? 6.
6.
Isn't it now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monovalent atoms are there. So 6 we need to write over here. Next minus. Next C. C stands for what? Charge on cation.
Of
Is
cation.
there any charge is mentioned beta?
No, sir.
Mention
No, sir.
No. So
Zero.
Plus A. A stands for what? The charge on
And
anion.
anion.
Is there any charges given on anion? No.
No, sir.
No.
That's it.
సార్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ సార్ ఇక్కడ SO2 కా
Plus minus plus. SO2 దగ్గర ప్లస్ ఎక్కడ బేటా?
అక్కడ లాస్ట్ కు పెట్టలేరు సార్.
అవునవునా, ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. కరెక్ట్. ఎస్ బేటా, వెరీ గుడ్. చలో, now find out that P beta. P equal to
6.
1 by 2 into 6 plus 6,
12.
12.
6, sir.
So
Sir, P equals to 6.
yes, మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది బేటా అక్కడ?
Lone
We
pair
will
0.
get the P value, we will get that 2 1 the 2 6. P value equal to 6. Then find out that N value. Then what is the N value? N value ఏంటి బేటా? What does it mean of that N?
Number of surrounded atoms. Number of surrounded.
Number. See. Listen to me carefully. Just read it carefully. N stands for what? Number of atoms surrounded to the central atom. So here, what is the central atom beta? Sulfur. So sulfur
Sulfur.
ke how many atoms are surrounding here? Tell me. 6 fluorine atoms are surrounding. Isn't it now? Isn't
Yes,
it
sir.
or not? So
Yes, sir.
then n value is also 6. Then apply over here beta. Ikkada apply chesesandi. So therefore number of loan pairs is equal to p value we got the 6. Isn't it now? Isn't
Yeah,
it or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
P
Yes, sir.
value we got the 6 and n value is
Six.
also we
Six
got the
minus
6.
six.
So
Zero.
how many number of loan pairs
Zero
are there?
loan pairs.
0.
Zero loan pairs.
Step 6 is having there are no loan pairs. But how many bond pairs are there? 6 bond
Six.
pairs are there. And number of the bond pairs is nothing but simply here we can justify with that p value only. Understood now, beta? Easy now?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, is that
Easy,
very
sir.
easy method to find out is that number of loan pairs. Okay, now please get the screenshot of this page. I'm going to erasing this one.
Done, sir.
Okay. Chalo.
Sir, explain an example with cations also, sir.
Yeah, I'm going over there. Chalo, beta, in that simple way, just to find out the number of loan pairs for ammonia and NS3. Chalo, beta, just practice yourself only. Actually, generally we know that according to that structure, NS3 molecule is having that one lone pair and isn't it now? So check it once
Yes,
whether we get that perfect answer or not according to this formula. Chalo, beta, please apply this one. LP equal to number of lone pairs equal to P minus N. This is the formula. Okay. So to find out the P, first we need to follow this one. 1 by 2 into V MCA. And the first sign will be plus, minus, plus. Okay. Next step. P equal to 1 by 2 into V. V stands for what, beta? Valence electrons of the
Valence
central
electron.
atom. Here central atom will be taken for that nitrogen. Nitrogen
Five.
is belongs to which group element, beta? 5A
Fifth A.
group element. 5th A. So ఇక్కడ ఎంత తీసుకుంటాం మనం 5 తీసుకుంటాం.
5.
Plus M. M stands for what? Number of monovalent atoms. So
Atom.
how many monovalent atoms are there, beta?
3.
3.
Monovalent atoms are there. 3 minus. Is there any charge, beta?
Oh, sir. 0.
No, sir.
No
sir.
charge on cation as well as that no charge on
And
anion.
anion.
Zero.
Yes, very good. Now then P equal to 1 by 2 into 8. So then we
Four,
got
sir,
the
answer.
4, sir.
yes, better.
Four,
So
sir.
then P value we got as a 4. Then what about the
Sir, nitrogen monovalent కిందకి రాదా సార్?
no, beta. Nitrogen is always can be written as the 2 only. Nitrogen N2 gas అని రాస్తాం మనం అలా అందుకే ఎందుకంటే ఇంకోటి I will say that one more thing that nitrogen between 2 nitrogen we will get that bond order as that 3. Single nitrogen atom కి మన bond order 3 ఎలా వస్తుంది బెట మనకి? Is it possible?
సార్ హైడ్రోజన్ కూడా H2 అని రాసాం కదా సార్.
లేదు బెట హైడ్రోజన్ మనం 1 అనే రాస్తాం because it's that atomic number is 1 only. Okay, molecule అయినప్పుడు when one hydrogen is combined with that another hydrogen then only we used to write that H2 only, but it is that mono atom because it is that valence is only 1 na beta. H plus అనే రాస్తాం మనం, isn't it na? Because it is belongs to
Okay, sir.
first A group element. Understood na beta? Hydrogen is belongs to that first A group element.
First
Because
A
it-
group element.
so that's why its valence is 1 like that. Okay, and it's that charge is also plus 1. So that's why it is that monoatomic in nature. But అది ఫార్ములా రాసేటప్పుడు మనం మాలిక్యూల్ రాసేటప్పుడు we used to write like this that H2 అని రాస్తాం, అది మాలిక్యూల్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు ఆటం కాదు అది. ఓకేనా? చలో బేటా, now we got that P value as the 4 beta. Next then find out about that N value.
3.
N means
Three,
what beta? How many number of atoms are surrounding to the central atom? 3
Num-
hydrogen atoms.
three
So
hydrogen.
N value is equal to 3. Chalo beta, now substitute over here.
1.
One,
LP
sir.
equal to
4 minus
2 ones are 2 fours. ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది కదా 4. 4 minus 3 1. Yes, we got. Isn't it
One.
now?
Sir.
వచ్చిందా
Yes,
ఆన్సర్
sir.
ఇప్పుడు NS3 అంతే సింపుల్ గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు మనం దీనికి no need to draw the structure, no need to find out and all, just is the waste of matter and it is the waste of time, isn't it na? So this is the very easy and the easiest method to find out the lone pair. Chalo beta, chalo practice that a few more example. One more example. H2O, we know that H2O is having two lone pairs, isn't it na? Manaku
Yeah,
telusu
sir.
endukante
Yeah, sir.
chalo beta, here I would like to draw the structure of NS3 nitrogen. See, that structure of NS3 will be like this. And what about that H2O? H2O structure we use it to draw like this. Central atom is that oxygen, okay, and here two lone pairs will be there. So let us follow this formula whether we get that correct answer or not. Let us check. Hurry up. Lone pairs equal to, first
Answer.
formula is equal to P minus N. So first we need to find out the P. So what is the formula to find out the P? 1 by 2 into V plus MCA, M minus C plus A. Chalo beta. 1 by 2 into V. V stands for what? Number of valence electrons to
Valence
the central
electrons
atom.
on central atom.
Oxygen is a central atom, isn't it now?
Yeah, sir.
Here
6
oxygen
electrons.
is a central atom, and it is belongs to 60A group elements. So
A
that's why
group.
it contains 6 valence electrons plus how many number of monovalent atoms are there? 2
Two.
hydrogen atoms. So 2 minus, see, charge on cation is 0 and charge on anion is also 0. So 6 plus 2, 8. So 1 by 2 into
4, sir.
8
Answer.
equal to
Yes, sir.
4 beta. Okay. 4. Then what about that N beta?
Answer 2, sir.
2, sir.
2, sir.
2.
Answer.
Adde. Ochinda idigo? See,
Yeah, sir.
see this diagram, isn't it now? So very easy method, I think.
Yes.
ఇదిగో డయాగ్రామ్ లో మనకు 2 లోన్ పేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ NS3 లో just we are having that one lone pair, isn't it na?
Lone.
So
Yes.
if you substitute these values in this formula, then P value we got the 4 and N value we got the 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2 lone pairs. Okay. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
just this is the
Yes, sir.
running out of time. Okay.